Anyway, please introduce yourself. Who are you cosplaying? And number. Oh, sige, bigay mo na number mo sa akin. Mamaya. And then... And then, sample of your character.
Magre-reply yan!
Ay! Excuse me? Excuse me? Okay, ito na.
My name is Maverick. I'm 18 years old and I'm from Chogi.
Chogi yan! Okay. Can you,
Age. Hindi ko narinig age.
18.
Baka ako. Disappointed. Anyway.
Okay, Chogi yan ba?
Somewhere over there.
Oh, wait. He's gonna do an evil Macnase. Okay. Sige, ah. 1, 2, 3! Kinikilig si Nal!
Wait, may kukwento ko. Kasi nung SS3 bangko, nung bumaba si Q, malayo ako sa stage. Malayo ako. So, I tried to reach out kasi nga maliit ako and everything. Tapos re-reach out na ni Q yung kamay niya sa akin. Tapos, hindi ko na pala kawalan. So, sample ulit. Yan. Anyway, hindi ko kagagawan to! Siya na yan! Siya na nag-first move sa akin. Paano ba yan? Kapabalik mo lang kami na. Numumalis ka. Ngayon, kami na.
Wait, I have a special segment, okay? We are going to
I thank you.
Yun, we are going to pick one lucky fan. Okay? We are going to meet two lucky fans, okay? And they are going to choose. Paano nung SS4
Ano yan?
before?
May libreng date?
Ha?
May libreng date ba?
Baka matawag pa. And they are going to choose which super simple member they wanna have.
Bago yan, ikaw Aya, sino ba sa inyo gusto mo makapagpapagpapag?
Ako? Maka-picture? Sino gusto ko? Wait, ba't ako?
Siyempre, as co-host. Babalik mo sa akin. Anyway.
Ba't pinabalik ko na sa iyo yung tanong?
Sagutin mo muna. Dali na. O, picture nila. Dali na. O, picture nila. Ito na. Dreams to come true. Dali na. Picture na. Kinikilig.
Okay, ganyan. Dito ako magpapapicture. Dito. Oo. But we just picked one fan who wants to meet Kihyun.
Hindi mo pa binabalik yung tanong sa akin.
Yung babalik sa'yo. And there's one lucky fan who wants to meet Kihyun already. And then I'm gonna pick another one from the crowd, okay? Okay? Yung girl na naka-purple. Yun, okay?
1 minute na. Ready na.
Wow!
Ready na talaga. No? Ito yung tag.
Tingnan mo sa yung shirt niya. I'm here to meet Kihyun. So, nagpunta siya dito para dito sa DVD. Para lang sa'yo.
Pag-ibata sila ng gusto
Sige,
mga picture.
akad po tayo. Ayan. Okay? Ready na? Okay, magpapapicture lang kayo. Wait lang.
Papapicture na.
Kiss sa may hug. Ganon. Okay? Hi, what's your name? Siya, okay.
Oo. Bigyan kita lang sa kanya.
Okay.
Ayan na.
Oh, asan na yung I'm here to meet Kyuhyun? Oh. What's your name, ate? What's your name? Hindi ko.
Anong name?
Okay. Okay. So, you're here. Oh, sila muna, okay?
Kasi naman ito.
Okay.
A picture na.
This is a very... Sorry, we are abusing you guys again. We're abusing you guys again, but I hope you guys are having fun as well. For our special thanks to our sponsors, Sun Cellular, LG, and of course, Universal Records, and of course, Honest. And of course, Cebu Pacific. Alright.
Yes. Okay.
Next, nasa na?
Oh, dali na.
Halika dito. I'm here to meet Kyuhyun. Oh, diba?
Okay.
Oh.
Maverick.
Sige na. Ay!
Kinikilig na.
Post na kayo sa picture. Of course, for those who haven't gotten your Sun Cellular products, you can do so right now. Okay. Ayan, thank you. Wait, thank you so much. And I heard, Darl, kailangan ko ibalik yung question sa'yo. Okay? Who do you want to meet? Okay. I'm giving one more fan to take a picture with them. Last na to, last. Yes, the baby girl. Halika dito.
Mamaya. Kasama ba?
With the...
Ayaw ko na.
Kasama si Mami. Kasama si Mami. Ayaw mo?
Ayan, sasama na.
Ayan. Okay, kasama si Mami. No? Alright. Who do you want to take a picture with?
Choose. Si Wookie
Si Wookie.
ka.
Say hi! Say hi! Say hi! Say hi! Take a picture with them. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. And then, of course, Nar, bago namin i-end ang segment na to with Super Simple, ba't kayo nagsisitago dyan? Ha? Nagtatago na lang sila, okay? Okay, Nar, who do you want to take a picture with?
Hindi ba take home? Who do you want to take